What's going on, everybody? Black Wolf here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I trade gold every day and the best trading strategy, the best day trading strategy you should be using to trade gold. Alright. Right now, as you can see my chart here, gold is currently on a bearish move, giving us a series of lower lows and a lower highs, lower lows and a lower high. So as you can see from this level, we have a resistance zone here, right? A resistance here, and extending to this current market condition here. Price broke this resistance, push back and retest, right, and leave us a candlestick wick rejection, which was our entry. This is where we entered our trade. Gold drop all the way for 1 to 6 risk to reward. Right now, as you can see, we have a resistance zone here, a resistance. Look, whenever price is on a bearish move, what we do is to look for a selling opportunity only, right? And now, as you can see, price broke this key level, push back to retest. We missed this trade. And right now, price push back to retest on this key level. Not just the retest there, but as you can see, we couldn't take the trade because there was no candlestick wick rejection for us. What did price do? Price broke this key level again, pushed back to retest, left us a wick rejection, and that was the reason for this trade. And as you can see, risking 50 pips to make 350 pips, all right, which is 50 times 7. So as you can see, this is 1 to 7 risk to reward. Now, looking at this current trade here, we have a support zone here and a support. Now, gold broke our support, rally around all this level from Asian session down to New York. As you can see, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, then higher highs and higher lows. Then gold finally pushed all the way to the upside, and we are currently on this trade waiting for the next candlestick to open. The whole picture of this strategy we are seeing here is just a break and retest. I'm a break and retest trader. Right, for those of you that don't understand what break and retest is and how to trade with the trend, I am going to be explaining it to you guys on this video. Now, whenever price is on a bullish move, right, you see gold giving you a series of higher highs and higher lows, a higher highs and a higher highs here and a higher lows, a higher highs and a higher lows, right? And whenever price, this is trend, right? Whenever price is bullish, this is what you're going to be seeing. And whenever price is bearish, gold will be giving us a series of lower lows and a lower highs, lower lows and a lower highs, then a lower lows and a lower highs. Now, how do we take advantage of these market conditions, all right? Now, let's say price is heading to the upside now. We have a series of higher highs here and a higher low. On here, this is our, I'm going to use this one here. Okay, let me cancel. I'll use this one here, a trend line. So let's say this is our resistance zone right now. How do we take advantage of a trend moving trade, all right? Right now, we have a higher highs, a higher lows. Now, price break our recent high, goes back to retest. This is a retest, and this is where we execute our trade on a bullish move. Right now, talking about a bearish move example, let's say price is heading to the downside, giving us a series of lower lows here and a lower highs. How do we take this type of trade? Price break our lower lows, pulls back, turn it into a lower highs, then we look for a selling opportunity all the way to this level. Right now, as you can see from my current chart here, that is what I am looking for. So with what we are seeing here right now, gold can still go against us because right now price is moving to the upside, and this candlestick closed with a body instead of what? This candlestick closed with a body instead of a wick rejection. If I thought it closed with a wick rejection, we'll know that yes, we will be expecting selling, but right now it's a body. The only way we will be saying this gold will be selling right now is when it starts dropping massively to this level. But since it's not dropping like that, this gold is going to hit us out, and that is what I'm seeing right now, guys. So you can see how I trade gold every day, and you can see the strategy I am using to trade gold every day. Very simple and also effective. If you love this video, all I'm asking from you is to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on post notification to get notified whenever I drop new video, and if you want to join our mentorship program, click on the link in the description box and you'll be redirected to join our mentorship program. Other than that, guys, peace.